Someone has set a police car on fire. So there is at least one car on fire. Doors of several police cars are open. So they are in the cars and now setting them on fire.
This is just a matter of time now.
This is downtown Atlanta tonight.
Yeah, and so we're now, congratulations Atlanta, doing what we don't do. It's now part of us. So this is now part of our new reality. And
how do you stop this fire from spreading?
well, I'm not qualified to answer that question.
Right.
But,
so just
yeah,
looking at this now, this is not good.
No, so a decision's going to have to be made here, and a real value judgment's going to have to be figured out on the danger in which to put law enforcement versus containment, because this is about as bad as we've ever seen in this town in our careers, certainly, and the visual says it all.